Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to use Artblocks to create images for our marketing projects. This presentation was recorded, but we are in the comment box to respond to all your questions live. Let's get started. Artblocks is one of the AI tools on Marketing Blocks. It's a tool that generates images in seconds from a text instruction. This instruction is known as a prompt. A prompt is the language you speak in order to tell an AI model what to do. In this case, to draw an image for you. The better your prompt, the better the results you will get. Prompt engineering is trying to structure and arrange words in a way that the AI will understand and also give you the desired result. The secret of generating great results is a well-written prompt with good sentence structure and using the proper settings. Let's look at the format of a prompt. To write a prompt, we start by asking a list of questions. 1. Do you want a photo or a painting? 2. What's the subject of the photo? Person, an animal, or perhaps a landscape? 3. What details do you want to add? More details like the state of the subject, example, running or riding a bike. Do you want special lighting? Example, soft, ambient, neon, or ring light. What environment? Example, indoor, outdoor, underwater, in space. What point of view? Front, overhead, side. Number 4. Do you want a specific art style? Example, 3D render or movie poster. Let's run an example. What type of art? A photo. What subject? Remember, your subject could be a person, animal, or a landscape. Let's use a golden doodle. More examples we can add can be wearing a suit. Lighting, natural lighting. Environment, in the sky. Color scheme with bright colors. We add it all together and we have something like this. A painting of a cute golden doodle wearing a tie, natural light, in the sky with bright colors. Enter the prompt as an image description. Choose the size of the image. Choose the number of images you want AI to generate. Click on Generate. This can take a few seconds. Nice results. But notice the golden doodle is not in the sky. This is because the order of words is important. If we rearrange the prompt like this, a painting of a cute golden doodle in the sky, wearing a tie, natural light with bright colors. Let's generate again. Now let's look at negative prompts. A negative prompt is a parameter that tells AI what you don't want to see in the generated images. When specified, it guides the generation process not to include certain things in the image according to a given text. A negative prompt may prevent generating specific things, styles, or fix some image abnormalities. For example, look at this prompt. A portrait of Will Smith dressed as a priest, natural light. We can add a negative prompt to this. On Artblocks, we have a sample negative prompt you can add in a click. Ugly, tiling, poorly drawn hands, poorly drawn feet, poorly drawn face, out of frame, extra limbs, disfigured, deformed, body out of frame, blurry, bad anatomy, blurred, grainy, signature, cut off. This tells the AI not to include this in the results. Creativity level is on a scale of 1 to 20. The lower the value, the less creative the AI will be, producing results that are closer or exactly as your prompt with much creativity. The default for this setting is 14. 10 to 14 is recommended for most prompts. This gives a good balance between creativity and guided generation. Increasing above 14 will make it creative, but it might not follow your prompt. You can go between 5 and 10 when you're sure that your prompt is good and specific enough. It's never recommended to go below 5 unless the prompt is well detailed. It might affect coherence and quality. Now, let's talk about modifiers and enhancements. Modifiers are words that can change the style, format, or perspective of the image. There are certain magic words or phrases that are proven to boost the quality of the image. In this video, we will discuss about 6 types of modifiers: photography, art mediums, artists, illustration, emotions, aesthetics. Photography modifiers can be added to your prompt. You can mix and match them based on the shot type, style, lighting, context, and lens type. Example, close-up Polaroid photo of a husky, soft lighting, outdoors, 24mm Nikon Z FX. Here are examples of art prompts with photography modifiers. When you get the replay, you can pause the video here to take a closer look at the prompt and the image results. These are based on photography styles. These are based on photography cameras. These are based on photography lenses. These are based on photography lighting. Art medium is another form of modifier. A medium refers to the materials used to make a work of art. This specifies the type of painting. Example, chalk, graffiti, watercolors, oil painting, pencil drawing. A sidewalk chalk painting of Will Smith. A pencil painting of Will Smith. Wall graffiti art of an astronaut holding a super soaker. Watercolor painting of sunset behind mountains, detailed vaporwave aesthetic. Oil painting of human Rick Sanchez, contest winner. Another type of modifier is an artist modifier. Using an artist that is known for doing portraits can be very helpful in creating a specific style. Here are some popular artists and how their art looks when generated by AI. You can also use emotions in your prompts. Example, old man looking at the camera, filled with satisfaction. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. There is positive emotion there, filled with satisfaction. Let's replace the word satisfaction with the word anger for negative emotion. Old man looking at the camera, filled with anger. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. Another example is a photo of a peaceful Japanese city street. Dreamy, soft colors, Studio Ghibli style. You can add aesthetics to your image by adding some words to the prompt. For vibrant results, you can use words like weirdcore, acid wave, dreamcore, and vaporwave. For gloomy results, add words like after hours, brutalism, and post-apocalyptic. Example, a photo of Will Smith in a post-apocalyptic town. You can use some words to reference a particular period in history. Words like Wild West, film noir, Baroque. Let's try some examples. A painting of Kim Kardashian in Baroque cloth and style. A photo of a car driving in a town, Wild West. A close-up photo of a man and his wife, film noir style. Art blocks can be used to create illustrations. You can create any type of illustration you can imagine. Let me show you types of illustrations with sample prompts. Children's book, vector, scientific illustration, comic, caricature, propaganda poster, movie poster, psychedelic art, splash art, and more. Let's run this on Artblocks. A tiny, cute isometric kitten in a cutaway box, smooth, soft lighting, soft colors, 100mm lens, 3D blender render. Another one, 3D fluffy lion, close-up cute and adorable, cute big circular reflective eyes, long fuzzy fur, Pixar render, Unreal Engine, cinematic smooth, intricate detail, cinematic. And finally, elephant turtle hybrid in children's book illustration style. Modifiers are words you use to enhance your results. You can type them into your image description separated by commas, or use some of the popular inbuilt Artblocks enhancements. Example is a photo of the most beautiful woman in the world. We can add the following enhancements: photorealistic, 8K, and high quality, high definition. Add a negative prompt and then hit the Generate button. Magic words. Aside from modifiers and aesthetics, there are some magic words that, when added to your prompt, can make a dramatic difference. Let's take a look at some of those words and compare the results to the exact same prompt with and without the magic words. Quality words like HDR, UHD, 4K, 8K, and 64K can make a dramatic difference. Quality words like highly detailed can make a dramatic difference. The word studio lighting could really add some nice texture to the image. Adding professional can greatly improve the color contrast and details in the image. Adding the phrase trending on ArtStation can make a dramatic difference. Another magic phrase is Unreal Engine. Adding the phrase vivid colors can add life to your images. Adding the word bokeh blurs the background and highlights the subject. It's like the iPhone portrait mode. Almost always, the word sketch creates pencil images, while the word painting adds colors and will probably give an older-looking scene. Let's do an overview of the options. Click here to view and reuse your prompts. You click here to add an image to your favorites. We regularly delete other images from the server except your favorite images. We clean unused images every 60 days, so make sure you favorite the images you want to keep. Download your computer. Delete an image. Image upscale allows you to 4 times the size of your image using AI. This is the original image at 512 by 512 pixels. This is the upscaled image at 2024 by 2024 pixels. Click here to open and edit the image in our design editor. Let me share a quick tip with you. If you have a great generation but with messed up facial features, you can use a free tool, GFP-GAN, to fix it. Let me share a tip with you. Stock media websites are very good with image descriptions. You can use this in your prompt. Also, www.lexica.art has a database of AI-generated images you can search or scroll through. If you see any image you like, you can copy the prompt, modify it, and use it to generate your own art. Let's look at this prompt. Portrait of Lana Del Rey as a cyberpunk cyborg. Roses, sci-fi, missing panels, intricate abstract upper body, intricate artwork by Tooth Woo, WLOP, Beeple, Dan Mumford Concept Art, Octane Render, DeviantArt, Greg Rutkowski, Cinematic, Key Art, Hyperrealism, Iridescent Accents. I will add a negative prompt to it. Generate. Nice results. I can also easily replace just the name with someone else like Obama. Portrait of Obama as cyberpunk cyborg. If you have questions, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you, and please share your Artblocks results in our Facebook community. Every month end, we locate our most engaged community members and give them cash prizes, free swag, upgrades, early access to new features, and active contribution to our development roadmap. Be sure to be engaged and active in the Facebook group. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing your results.